How to fix lag on Roblox. Hello guys, so all what you have to do to fix the lag on Roblox is very easy. Go to the top corner right here as you can see and click on Roblox logo like this and click on settings and then go down here to uh, the graphics mode right here and make the automatic into manual like this. And after you make it manual, go here and make the graphics quality more lower like this and then close this. And congratulations, as you can see now it's more faster without any lag. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.